Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from your BingX account to your bank account step by step. The process is actually very simple, and I'll explain two easy methods you can use. First, open the BingX app on your phone. The easiest and fastest method is through P2P trading. To start, tap on Deposit and Buy Crypto, then select the P2P trading option. After that, tap on Sell and choose USDT as the coin you want to sell. You'll now see a list of merchants offering different prices for USDT. Make sure to choose a merchant with a good exchange rate and a high completion rating for safety. Once you've selected the merchant, tap Sell again and enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Next, tap on Sell with zero fees. Your order will be created and the buyer will usually have around 10 to 15 minutes to send the payment directly to your bank account or preferred payment method. Add your payment details carefully and wait for the transfer. Once you receive the money, simply release the USDT to complete the transaction. That's it, your withdrawal is complete. Now, let's look at the second method, which is transferring USDT to another exchange instead of directly to your bank account. This is useful if you want to continue trading somewhere else. Go to Assets at the bottom right corner of the BingX app and tap on Withdraw. Search for USDT and select it. Then choose the On-Chain Withdrawal option, which allows you to send crypto to another wallet or exchange. Next, open the exchange where you want to send your USDT, for example, Binance. Go to Wallets, tap Deposit, and search for USDT. Choose the correct network, such as BNB Smart Chain BEP20, and copy the deposit address. Return to the BingX app, paste the wallet address, select the same network, and enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Tap Withdraw and confirm the transaction. After a few moments, you'll receive a confirmation notification and email showing that your USDT has been transferred successfully. So those are the two easiest ways to withdraw USDT from BingX, either directly to your bank account using P2P trading or by transferring it to another crypto exchange. Both methods are secure, beginner-friendly, and easy to follow. And by the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when sending money internationally, why